Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zoom for webinars, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Zoom website. Log into your Zoom account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. In the left-hand menu, click on Webinars. Select the Schedule a Webinar button. Fill in the necessary details for your webinar, including title and description. Set the date and time for your webinar. Choose your preferred duration for the session. Decide if you want to enable registration for attendees. If you choose registration, set the registration options accordingly. Scroll down to the Webinar Options section. Select whether you want to use video for host and panelists. Adjust the audio settings to your preference. Review the invitation options for attendees. Once everything is set, click on Save. After saving, you will see the webinar details. Share the webinar link with your audience. To start the webinar, return to your Zoom account. Find your scheduled webinar in the Webinars section. Click on the Start button next to your webinar. When prompted, select whether to use the Zoom desktop client. Wait for attendees to join the session. As participants enter, you can manage them from the Participants panel. Use the chat feature to engage with your audience during the webinar. During the session, you can share your screen to present content. To end the webinar, click on the End button. Confirm that you want to end the webinar for all participants. Review the analytics and reports generated post-webinar for insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.